Welcome to Motorcycle Reviews, your trusted source for automotive insights. Today, we're looking at the much-anticipated return of India's favorite entry-level car, the 2026 Maruti Suzuki Alto 800. After a brief hiatus, the Alto 800 is back, smarter and more efficient than ever before. Fresh design, familiar soul. The 2026 Alto 800 carries forward its compact and practical design but now with a more refined and modern touch. Sleeker headlamps, a reworked grille, and subtle creases give it a sharper, more premium look while staying true to its budget-friendly roots. Interior and features. Step inside, and you'll notice major upgrades. The cabin now feels more contemporary, featuring a dual-tone dashboard, digital instrument cluster, and a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Maruti has focused on comfort and utility with improved seats, USB ports, and enhanced space optimization. Engine and performance. Powering the new Alto is a 796 cubic centimeters BS6 Phase 2 compliant petrol engine, known for its reliability and mileage. Paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, it delivers smooth city performance and excellent fuel efficiency, expected to be around 24 kilometers per liter. A CNG variant will also be offered, ideal for cost-conscious urban users. Safety first. The 2026 Alto 800 meets updated safety norms with dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, reverse parking sensors, and seatbelt reminders. The structure has also been reinforced for better crash protection, a big step forward for this segment. Pricing and launch. Maruti Suzuki is expected to price the new Alto 800 very competitively, starting from 3.99 Indian rupees lakh, making it one of the most affordable cars in the market. Official launch and bookings are expected by mid-2026. Conclusion. The 2026 Maruti Suzuki Alto 800 proves that even small cars can pack big value. With modern updates, strong fuel economy, and a legacy of trust, it's ready to reclaim its spot as India's go-to hatchback. Stay tuned to Motorcycle Reviews for more updates and the first drive review coming soon.